In this video, we're going to take a walk around of the Unverferth 10 Series Seed Pro. The Seed Pro stemmed from our highly successful Seed Runner product line and gave farming operations a convenient way to handle seed in bulk boxes. Today we have a Model 210 and a Model 410 XL on display for our walk around. I'll have you follow me up to the Model 210 so we can dive in a little deeper. The Seed Pro is available as a 4-box or 2-box carrying unit. The boxes on both models are positioned side by side, which centers the weight over the axle and allows the operator to easily put the seed boxes on the platform and take them off from the side of the unit. The Model 210 features front and rear panels which hinge down and up to lock the seed boxes into place. Up on the top of the platform, you'll notice our rubber funnels which direct seed down into the unloading chute. All Seed Pros are standard with protective lids for the intake, which prevents dirt and debris from getting in there during road transport and long-term storage. I'll have you come in a little closer and we'll take a look at the single point unloading chute on the Model 210 with convenient slide gate, which allows the operator to open and drop seed down into the conveyor intake. While we're here, we'll take a look at the standard Honda gas engine with electric start that powers the hydraulic system. Something that we've recently added is a master kill switch, which allows you to disconnect all power to the battery during long-term storage. Now let's move over to the Model 410 XL and take a look at its platform design. The Model 410 features a 4-box carrying capacity and once again positions those boxes side by side, which centers the weight over the axle and allows the operator to easily place the boxes onto the platform and take them back off from the side of the unit. The Model 410 features 4 individual latches that allows you to hinge down and up to lock the boxes into place. The Model 410 features a single point unloading design with a split hopper, where the front 2 boxes are tied together and the back 2 boxes are tied together so you can carry multiple varieties. You'll notice we have a viewing window in the front and a viewing window in the back to easily check the contents. The Model 410 is standard with wheel-operated unloading doors. If we move up to the front of the unit, we'll notice our oversized control box, which houses the key switch, throttle control, and choke for the Honda engine, and the conveyor speed module, which we'll talk about later. If your unit is equipped with a scale or wireless remote, those are also housed in this weather-tight box. Now let's move back over to the 210 and take a look at our conveyor design. The Seed Pro features the same patented self-filling conveyor design as our Seed Runner seed tenders. Now while you wouldn't generally use this unit to self-fill seed boxes, you can position the conveyor parallel to the unit and use it as a stand-alone conveyor system to transfer seed or grain from one container to another. All of these conveyors feature a spring lift assist for easy handling. One important thing to note about our conveyor length is that we measure from the bottom bearing to the top bearing, so you get an accurate measurement of where the seed drops into the conveyor out to where it's dispensed. We feature 21-foot and 18-foot conveyor lengths depending on model. The Model 410 is available with a 6-inch or 8-inch conveyor, and the Model 210 is available with a 6-inch conveyor. Up at the end of the conveyor system, we have a rubber-lined, curved conveyor hood, which is gentle on the seed as it's being discharged. Also at the top of the conveyor, we have a top-mounted hydraulic motor, which pulls the belt through the conveyor tube rather than pushing it, which prevents slippage and prevents premature wear. On the back side of our conveyor system, we have a tool-free removable belt access panel, which allows the operator to check the tension of the belt and for general inspection. All Seed Pros feature an over-center hopper lock for easy operation, and a large rubber intake which directs the seed down into the conveyor. At the bottom of the conveyor, we have a tool-free, removable hinged cleanout door which allows you to easily clean out between varieties. All Seed Pro conveyors can rotate 180 degrees and be stored in the front or rear of the unit during transport. They also have hydraulically operated vertical height adjustment for added versatility. All Seed Pros are standard with a 2-function wired remote, which starts and stops and raises and lowers the conveyor system. The Seed Pro is standard with 2 downspouts, a 2-stage telescoping downspout ideal for filling individual box planters, and a 4-foot flex spout that's ideal for use with central fill planters. Now let's take a look at our conveyor cutout display. The overall conveyor design is critical in protecting your high-value seed. We've developed an exclusive conveyor that protects your seed and provides higher unloading capacities. We have a 5-ply rubber belt construction where the cleats are molded into the belt, so there aren't glued-on cleats. You don't have to worry about a cleat coming off and ending up in your planter. Tension and alignment are 2 keys to maximizing the life of your belt. You can check the alignment at the bottom and top of the conveyor by looking at the distance between the side of the conveyor tube and the rubber belt. Alignment can be adjusted at the bearings on the bottom and top of the conveyor. To adjust the tension, there's a tensioning bolt at the top of the conveyor by the hydraulic motor. Down at the bottom, we have a brush seal brush design which prevents seed from backfeeding into the bottom of the conveyor. And the reason we have 2 brushes is because when one flips up, the other is down, to make sure that no seed falls back into the bottom of the conveyor. On the side, we have poly side seals, which protects the belt as it transitions from being flat to cupped inside of the tube. The Seed Pro features a smooth start conveyor engagement, which slowly ramps the belt up to maximum speed. This prevents slippage and maximizes the life of your conveyor system. We also have an electronic speed control module which allows you to adjust the speed of the conveyor independent from the engine RPMs. Let's move over to the 410XL and talk about the undercarriage. 4-box models are available with a bumper pull or gooseneck hitch, while 2-box models are available with a bumper pull. All Seed Pros are available less undercarriage for fitment into your own application. Seed Pro features electric brakes on all axles, standard transport lighting, and safety chain for safer road travel. 4-box models feature tandem 7,000-pound torsion axles and 16-inch diameter tires. 2-box models feature tandem 4,000-pound torsion axles and 15-inch diameter tires. Finally, let's review some of the accessories that are available on the Seed Pro. We offer the widest range of options so you can tailor this unit to fit your operation's needs. For true one-man operation, we have 4 different wireless remote packages available depending on model. All of these feature handy remotes with oversized toggle switches that is easy to use with gloves. All wireless remotes come standard with a wired override switch box. If you would happen to leave your remote at home or lose it, you can plug in your override switch box and control all the functions of the seed tender. Our 2520 scale package features an auto shutoff where you can program in a target weight and the conveyor will unload and automatically stop once it hits that target weight. Our innovative talc and graphite system is located on the other side of the unit and features a 50-pound hopper and is tied into the hydraulics of the conveyor, so as it speeds up and slows down, so does your rate of talc or graphite being applied. You can also adjust the flow rate of a talc applicator using the control module located towards the front of the unit. We also have an LED work light kit available, which positions 2 lights on the side of the unit and 1 on the end of the conveyor for easier nighttime operation. Other options include a cushioned gooseneck hitch for a smoother ride, hydraulic jack, aluminum wheels, spare tire, and a 3-stage downspout. Thanks for watching our walk around of the Unverferth 10 Series Seed Pro. These seed tenders have truly innovated the way that farmers carry bulk seed boxes to their planters in the field and are the highest quality bulk box carrier available today. For more information, we invite you to visit umequip.com or see your nearest dealer today.